The UK border and immigration system is becoming digital. Physical documents are being replaced by eVisas. If you currently have physical proof of your immigration status, such as a Biometric Residence Permit or BRP, or another immigration status document, like a vignette visa sticker inside your passport, then this video is for you. This video will show you how to create your UKVI account so you can access your eVisa. What you need to create your UKVI account. Your eVisa is an online record of your immigration status and the conditions for you to stay in the UK. Creating an account won't affect your current immigration status. To create your UKVI account, you will need your BRP number or application number. This might be called a UAN or start with the letters GWF. Your application number was automatically created during the visa application process. A copy of it will have been sent to you by email or post. If you do not have any of the above, go to gov.uk/eVisa for advice on what to do. A family member or a friend can help you create a UKVI account. To get started, here's what you need: a smartphone, laptop, or any device with internet access. You can borrow someone else's if needed. Your identity document. This can be your BRP or your passport. Your BRP or application number. Your date of birth. Your email address. A mobile phone number. And access to the UK Immigration ID Check app, which you can find in the Google Play Store or App Store. If you cannot download the app, you can use a friend or family member's smartphone with their permission. How to create your UKVI account. There are 3 steps you need to take to create a UKVI account and access your eVisa. Step 1. Create a UKVI account. If you received a letter or email telling you to create an account, follow the instructions or go to gov.uk/eVisa to access the Create a UKVI Account service. Fill in your details and click Create Account. You will then get confirmation via an email that your UKVI account has been created and you can sign in. Step 2. Confirm your identity by using the UK Immigration ID Check app and following the instructions. If you are using a computer, laptop, or tablet, you will need to download the app on a smartphone and use the smartphone's camera to scan a QR code. Or you can request a connection code to connect to the app instead. The app will ask you to take a picture of your BRP or passport, check your documents information, and take a picture of your face. When taking the picture, take the same care you would when taking a passport photo. This will be used to prove your immigration status. Step 3. Link your account to your eVisa. To do this, you will need to complete all the sections on the task list. Then, confirm you have read the declaration and click Submit. You will then receive an email when your eVisa is ready to view, and in some cases, this could take up to a few days. If you are unable to finish confirming your identity or linking your account to your eVisa, we will send you an email link so you can start where you left off. And finally, when your account is created, your eVisa will be linked to the identity document you used to create your account. If you are planning to travel outside the UK, you must check your current travel document is linked to your eVisa before you travel. This will ensure you have the smoothest journey when boarding to return to the UK. You can do this by using the Update Your UK Visas and Immigration Account Details service, which you can find on gov.uk. If you need support creating your account, or want more information about how eVisas will affect you, visit gov.uk/eVisa.